Good evening folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's well. So, yesterday evening I made a bit of a boo-boo. I went to the local corner shop to buy 4 cans of beer, got talking to somebody, wasn't really paying attention, and I ended up buying, inadvertently, 4 cans of this stuff here, Diamond White, rather than what I intended to buy. So I got home, saw this and thought, oh gosh, you know, I mean, this is really nasty stuff, it's vile. So anyway, tried to take it back this morning and they wouldn't take it back. So I should have done it straight away, but do you know what? Only cost about £4.50, so it's no biggie, is it? However, I'm not going to drink this, and I don't know anybody who would drink this gash. I mean, it's 7.5% volume, triple filtered refreshing cider. Now, from what I can remember, when I drunk this on the odd occasion as a teen to get drunk very quickly, this stuff was absolutely rancid, so there's no way I'm touching this. Nobody I know actually likes the stuff. So I was wondering what to do with it really. Now obviously I could just tip it down the toilet, you know, or else I could do something a little bit more productive with it. And this is the whole purpose of today's video. So I'm actually requesting some viewer participation. So I've got 4 cans of nasty here, and I'd like to know from you guys what I should do with it. So basically you can be as creative as you want in your suggestions, and you know, let's try and have a little bit of fun with this, shall we? Can we do anything useful with this stuff here other than just tipping it down the toilet? So leave your suggestions in the comments section below. We'll give it a couple of weeks, see what you guys come up with, and then I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.